position, we have Long Island, New York, the Hollis Court construction car, and then we have the 77 for James Goodman out of Carmel, Maine, the Benny's Body Shop machine. The 35 is Kenduskeag, Maine, Chris Watson, who chases these 8-cylinder street stocks every which way. Then we have the 75 for last year's Northeast Classic winner in the R&R Street Stocks, and the defending Stafford Speedway champion, Danielson, Connecticut's Ryan Waterman. The 03 is West Wareham, Massachusetts, Josh Gerard. The 68 is Jason Woodard out of Waterbury Center, Vermont. And riding shotgun from Clinton, Connecticut, Mike Caprio as we go green. Shane Gendron will up the win. Time slicing through the field, already up to the third spot as they enter turn number 3. Ryan Waterman takes over the third spot, and they are leaning on each other behind him as we come around to complete lap 1. The 21 of Clark Brooks. Above Pelton. Pelton holds him off for now, and we have a battle for the lead in turns 3 and 4. Ryan Waterman, the 75, already has his sights set on the 7 of Shane Gendron as he heads to the inside. Pelton falls back to 5th, and keep an eye on the 68 of Jason Woodard, the multi-time Thunder Road Flying Tiger champion, up to 7th and looking for more in turns 3 and 4. Crossed flags in the air, halfway home, Bubba Pelton, James Goodman, and Jason Woodard all trying to chase him down as we come to 2 laps to go. Goodman, though, able to get that run off the high side. Jason Woodard falling back into the clutches behind him. Woodard now getting looked over by Chris Watson. Woodard and Watson, 2 very fast cars in 8-cylinder street stocks, but having trouble making some hay, and the white flag is out, so they're going to have to move today's main event. About a half a straightaway. Clark Brooks closing on Gendron in the 21. Final time out of turn number 4. No contest in this one. Ryan Waterman is your Heat 1 winner. Coming down for the 2nd spot, Clark looks to the inside, but Gendron is going to hold on for the number 2 spot.